Hello everyone, welcome to GLEN presents Times Food Boardroom Kitchen powered by Figaro Olive Oil. I am Chef Aditya Bal, but today I am not going to be cooking in this kitchen. No, I'm joking. I'm going to be cooking a little bit. But what we've got for you today, we are bringing in some of India's top CEOs and they are going to be cooking in this kitchen. Okay, it's called Times Food Boardroom Kitchen for a reason. We're going to put them on the spot. They're going to be cooking some of their favorite recipes for me and my friend Papi. You don't know him yet, but I promise you, you will know him very, very soon. So today we have with us Mr. Devendra Chawla. He's the CEO of Spencer Retail. Now it's a brand that's associated with food. So I'm hoping that he knows a little bit of cooking. Okay, otherwise I'm not sure what I'm going to be able to do over here. But no, seriously, he's coming in. He's going to cook one of his favorite recipes. So this should be fun.
Food. Very important thing it is food. You get my point? I will show you. Every day I take care of myself. I eat healthy food, strong food and People say size does not matter. Bhul bole, galat bole. Size matters. Everything is about size because that will then ensure you're the size of your success. I self-introduce dega. Hello everybody. Myself, Papi, man with the golden gun. And I am welcoming you. No, मुंह में शेव है. I am welcoming you to GLEN presents Times Food Boardroom Kitchen. और आज का हमारा CEO जो है हम उससे इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहा है. He is the king of all CEOs. नाम भी वैसा ही है. Devendra Chawla, everybody. Devendra, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So, Devendra, tell us, when were you CEO? Since birth?
Well, today I'm Chief Executive Officer.
Chief Executive
Absolutely.
Officer. Wow.
That's the CEO term which I've chosen today.
For the first time, you are part of something like this. GLEN presents Times Food Boardroom Kitchen. Are you feeling nervous or are you feeling like total gung-ho, ekdam Kung Fu Panda?
Oh, I'm absolutely fine. I'm loving it.
You're a pro in the kitchen.
We've been cooking all the life, no? We're cooking strategies. This is cooking food, but cooking is cooking. You're always cooking.
What is your dish called? I believe that has also something to do with pro. Tell us more about it.
About the Chicken Pro?
Oh, that's Chicken Pro. Tell us, what is Chicken Pro?
So Chicken Pro is a very simple dish to make. I think it's got a lot of protein. I love healthy food.
That is why the pro.
The pro comes from protein as well as because we are professionals and I think professionals can cook it.
Chicken Pro.
So you call it Chicken Pro or Chicken Wings Pro.
When you are cooking or when you're about to cook, what is your inspiration or your go-to website जिधर से तुम थोड़ा सा inspiration लेता है?
See, so a lot of tech has come in food now. This term food tech has become very popular.
Got it.
And there are some very good apps in website. Times Food is one of them which I refer to.
Yes.
And I can tell you that personalization will be the next mantra in food in the next 5 to 10 years.
Correct.
Now, a lot of us Indians don't know the kind of allergies we have or which ingredients we like, which we don't. So food tech will study all your choices, pick up what you like and only throw a dish for you with ingredients, with the seasoning which only you may like.
I am so sad hearing this because all this while just to find out what allergy I have, I was eating everything. Devendra, let me take you to our swanky GLEN kitchen.
Sure.
I want to introduce you to our star celebrity chef, Chef Aditya Bal. वो तुम्हारा से मिलके बहुत खुश होगा.
Oh, I've heard a lot about him.
Yes, हमारा बाल happy हो जाता है उससे मिल करके. He will be your mentor and both of you can jam and do some Chicken Pro. Ready to meet him?
Let's go.
Let's go, Baba. Okay. Chicken Pro, here I come. Hey, what it is, Aditya? How are you?
What is going on?
Baba, कितना dashing लग रहा है.
That's not as dashing as you.
और वो तो I was born like this. Black ninja. अच्छा, तो वाला को हम आज हमारा गेस्ट के साथ इंट्रोड्यूस कराता है. शेफ मीट CEO, CEO मीट शेफ. धुत्तरी ये नाम बोलता है. आदित्य मीट देवेंद्र मीट आदित्य. अब तुम दोनों आपस में भिड़ जाएगा. आम नीचे जाएगा फिर हमारे लिए खाना आएगा. All the best. Happy cooking.
Thank you, Papi. Thank you so much.
Hi Aditya, heard so much about you. So thank you so much for helping me with this.
Absolutely. I'm here to basically make your life
easier, which I will need of course. One of the dish which I want to make today, I call it Chicken Pro. It's like Chicken Wings Pro. In fact, it's a very simple dish to cook. Any professional, if you're traveling and you don't know too much cooking or even for mothers, if you want to give to kids,
Yeah,
protein-rich
absolutely.
diet. You just take, and in fact, this is oil-free. Just take chicken, milk. I mean, you cook it for 15 minutes, and we'll just put microwave, like maybe just to get the browning color.
So it's quick,
It's really quick.
it's super healthy,
It's super healthy, no oil,
easy to do.
easy to do, and very tasty. We've got chicken wings here. We've got some pepper. We've got seasoning, oregano. We've got some raw salt. We've got some coriander and a lot of milk.
And a lot of milk.
A lot of milk, because all the milk will get absorbed by the chicken, and in the end you'll find no milk. It's all in the chicken. That's how it becomes very soft. We need to just break these pieces into two.
Yeah.
So let's figure where is the softer part.
Yeah, so the softer part would be between the joint.
Yeah, somewhere here.
No, it wouldn't be there.
Yeah,
it would be.
with this one.
Yes. This is called boning. Right, you got so much responsibility, and yet you find the time and to do a bit of cooking.
It's very important. One of the mantras of my life, even in my job, is like to keep things simple. We can't complicate things for our teams, for our people, for our consumers who come to our store.
Yeah.
Like we work in retail. I think if you see the dish also, it's very simple.
I like it. Keep it simple.
Let's keep it simple, yeah. Don't complicate it. Anybody should be able to make it. You should be able to talk about it, and you should love what you're doing. So I think let's get on with it.
Yeah. Should I put on this beautiful GLEN hob? Automatic.
Please fire it.
Fired.
We'll give it a minute, and then we're gonna pour some milk. This is a lovely sight, isn't it?
It's your invention.
I think amongst other various sites, I think in Times Food has some very good stuff. So I time to time and go and check that what's
Just
happening
go to
there.
chef. So what's going to happen here? Basically, you said it's just going to absorb it.
It's just going to absorb all of it. Absolutely. You see the color? You see the color changing?
Yeah, yeah. And of course, dairy, is a great tenderizer. So we use it in marinades as well. A lot of curd, cream. There's a lot of quite often. Smells lovely. You think should I preheat that GLEN oven?
Yeah, that'll be very nice. I think we should do that.
Beautiful, what you call convection oven from GLEN. Lovely, huh? Fully automated.
Yeah, let's work on it in the meantime.
Yeah.
I'm just going to give it one last turn.
Lovely. Okay, fine, that's looking great. I think I'm going to get your chili garnish ready. Oh, in fact, why don't you try your hand at it? I've learned something new. I'll tell you, I've learned something. Wow. So that's
My
it.
pleasure.
Our chicken pro. Chef, can I call you chef now?
Thank you so much for helping me out with this, yeah?
Well, our chicken pro is ready, and I've got to say, I've learned something new today from Mr. Chawla. The thing is that good cooking doesn't require a ton of ingredients always, right? You can have 2 or 3 ingredients and you can still create some magic. So, this is smelling great. This is looking good. Let's go down and taste it.
Chef, best चीज किसी भी cooking show का I just love is the testing part.
I agree. The testing.
Total testing.
Total.
वो बोलता है ना, the proof of the pudding is in the testing.
It is.
So we will do testing of Chicken Pro, जो हमारा Pro CEO देवेंद्र बनाए हैं. I
Should we try?
got it. I've got it. I've got all the cutlery that we need for eating
Why
this.
don't you try it first?
Okay. ऐसा जो शेफ लोग क्या काटता है हमको सिखाओ कैसे काटता है वो ये ऐसा
हम तो ऐसे काटते हैं ऐसे.
हाँ. Oh, this is new style. हम भी ऐसे काटेंगे.
Wings.
Okay, chicken wings flying straight
Pro.
into my mouth.
Chicken pro.
Chicken Pro. उरी बाबा.
Seriously, what I love about it is that milk. So it's like so different from जो normally हम करते हैं कि flavor से भरा. It's the natural flavor of the chicken. You get that lovely.
Very tasty. It is very tasty.
Very tasty.
बाबा साइड में क्या सब किया है उरिया. वाह. I will just take 1 minute. এটা ভালো. देखो, I must say, ये जो boardroom में CEO लोग इतना मेहनत करता है, सब इतना पकाता है, एक किचन में भी बहुत अच्छा पका सकता है. And this is a living testament of what Devendra can do, and he has done it. Chicken Pro recipe try करना, हमको भी बताना, and then you can thank both of us for bringing Devendra. Hey, Chef Aditya, I think it is the time to give the token. What say?
Totally.
Let us do
Totally.
it. A small token of thanks from Times Food and GLEN.
Thank you so
just
much.
for
Thank
you,
you so
Devendra.
much.
And here's another one, another
Yes.
token from GLEN.
Thank you so much,
Thank you for taking
Aditya.
us through this.
Thank you so much for
wonderful
having me.
recipe.
Fantastic. It was such a pleasure.
We loved
Thank you
it.
so
We
much.
loved it.
Oh, I'm
के
glad.
साथ जो vanishing act किया, lovely.
I'm glad. And after this, I'm going to make sure you finish it so you really love it.
सब खत्म कर
Yeah,
दिया.
yeah.
And you keep watching this space because ऐसा ही we will keep getting new CEO and who will be put to the test, my test and Chef Aditya ka test, and we shall enjoy the fest. Remember, this is GLEN presents Times Food Boardroom Kitchen, ending with Paprika Kisi. Hui.
It is not just beautiful, it is 5 times stronger. It is durable, it is safe, it is stylish, and wider. It is stunning. And it comes with an assurance of a long-lasting performance. GLEN Mirror Finish Cooktops. Experience the magic.